Trying beautiful desserts in LA. First up, we have an apple one. This one literally tastes like an apple pie. Up next, we have a mango one. This one definitely tastes better than last time. It's so good. Okay, this one's a new one. I think this is a raspberry one. This one tastes like an Earl Grey tea. This one's delicious. Next up, we have this lemon one. This one always explodes. This one is so messy. Oh my gosh. I believe this is a blueberry. Not too sure. Spongy and flavorful. Up next, we have this beautiful peach one. Lastly, we have this cool looking one.
Banana. Strawberry. Raspberry. This is really good. Cherries. Lemon. Blueberry. Coffee bean. You can totally taste the coffee. This is so good. I think this is passion fruit. That is really good. And this has to be coconut. Beautiful desserts in Pompano Beach, Florida.
Let's eat some Wingstop. Chamoy tender with the chamoy sauce. Let's try it. Right off the bat, you could taste the spiciness. I like it. It kind of tastes like the lime hot Cheetos. They loaded this with a lot of garlic parmesan. I'm glad. Why does this taste even better with this? Wait, that's crazy. Okay, now time for the fries. Okay, now we have a small size of ranch. Have a bite. I feel like this chamoy flavor is going well with everything. Cheese and chamoy. Let's see. I love chamoy. Like, I love it with watermelon, basically any type of fruit. It tastes so freaking good. If you haven't tried it, y'all gotta try it now.
Wingstop. Let's try the new chamoy ranch. Chamoy ranch. That is so good. I tried to get the tenders, but they forgot them. Fries. Hot honey rub fries with chamoy ranch. I love this so much. Lemon peppercorn. They put love in this order. I can feel it.
Let's eat some joy cakes. This is so cute. We have
Dubai joy cake and strawberry joy cake. She's the first to try Dubai.
Hey, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try the strawberry first. Oh my gosh, the texture is so squishy. Okay, cheers. Oh my gosh. Yep. This is freaking good. Yeah. The inside has like a nice strawberry taste. Guys, I can't stop smiling because it's so freaking good. Yo, this is amazing. And I really like the base too. Look how cute. Cute. And it's squishy. Guys, look at it. Okay, this is
pistachio basque cheesecake, but it has like a chocolate coating on top, so it's gonna be crunchy. Okay, the Dubai filling.
Okay, I'm excited. My favorite one right now, the strawberry and the matcha one. That's like
same.
Dude, that one's like so good. Also, guys, that was like my first meal of the day. That's worth it. That is so worth it. Also, congratulations, Joy, on her location. She got a location now. She knows where she's gonna be posted up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be posted up there.
This is the most delicious, affordable chocolate cake I've ever had. It's only $17.99 for the whole chocolate cake. You can't beat that. Look at how moist it is. The icing though is what makes the cake really good. So good. Costco chocolate cake.
Let's eat some canes. Cane sauce. I haven't had canes in months, so I'm so excited for this. Have a bite. These are extra crunchy. Guys, it's actually so freaking hot in this car right now. Oh my gosh. This one looks like a boot. Look how thick this bread is. Oh my gosh. And I got these extra buttered on both sides.
Raising Cane's. Toast. Fries. Toast. Open it in the middle, put it tender right in the middle. Coleslaw or the sauce. There you have it.
Trying beautiful desserts in LA. Starting off, we have this blueberry one. 8 out of 10. Ooh. This, oh, saved it. I saved it. Oh my gosh. Okay. This one is like a cacao bean. Let's try this pear. Let's have a coffee. Up next we have a coconut. Like a pina colada. Finally, an edible leaf, but it's kind of broken. I believe this is mango on top. Yeah, it is. Lastly, we have a tomato. Have a bite.
Chocolate dot cake. Vanilla dot cake.
Let's eat Jollibee. Shout out to all my Filipinos. They literally have the best fried chicken. Jollibee fries. Guys, I didn't know they had mac and cheese. This is really good, actually. Guys, I asked for the regular size one, but they gave me a freaking family size, yo. Crazy. Up next, we have a peach mango pie. So good. Lastly, we have a pineapple drink.
How to make cheesy gordita crunch at home. First, let's warm up the bread. Fiesta blend cheese. Look at how cheesy. Meat. Pico de gallo. This is so easy to make at home and it's so delicious. Look at all that cheese.
Trying beautiful desserts in LA. Starting off, we have the mango one. Up next, we have a banana one. I've never tried this one before. There's like chocolate inside. Up next, we have this mushroom one. This one almost has like a chocolate flavor. There's also raspberry in there. Let's try the stem. It's like a whole bunch of caramel. We have an orange one. It tastes like an orange creamsicle. This one's really good. Up next, we have a lemon one. Is this edible? This one is fantastic. Might be my favorite one. Lastly, we have an apple. Go eat your fruits. Let's eat some Little Caesars. I don't know what kind of pizza I ordered, but there's 4 different flavors. I'm gonna go with the jalapeno. Okay, this looks fire. Every time I get Little Caesars, I always have to get the marinara and dip my pizza in it. This one looks like a carbonara pizza, I'm not gonna lie. They're onto something. A lot of people don't like Little Caesars. I have no idea why, but it's so good. Like, it's very flavorful. And the price? You can't beat the price. It's so good. Okay, time for the ranch. You could barely see it, but it's right here. Damn. This is a crazy slice. I would be mad if I got this slice. That was delicious, but I do like it more with the marinara. Let's try their wings.
That batter is so light and fluffy. More sauce. Mozzarella cheese tteokbokki. I love this sauce. The panko is so crispy. I love how easy it was to make this. I popped this in the air fryer for about 12 minutes and it came out perfect. I mean, it's still steaming. Pairing them with like any sauce. Amazing. The great thing about these Korean street corn dogs is that you can find them in Costco.
Let's eat some Wingstop. We have hot honey. Favorite one, garlic parm. We got some fries. Have a bite. We have some corn.
Burger King. Whopper. jalapeno popper. Good. Let's try some onion rings. Why am I eating this without sauce? What is going on? Their barbecue sauce is so good. So happy they brought these back.
Let's eat some shawarma. And I have my favorite garlic dip, toom, to eat it with. I love the garlic and lemon flavor on this. Toom is literally the perfect addition to this shawarma. I have to have a scoop with every bite. Have a bite. This was the chicken shawarma, now we have the beef. This garlic dip really elevates the flavor of the shawarma. I'm a big texture person and this one is really creamy. This will forever be my favorite garlic dip.
Wingstop. Fries with buldak. Oh my god, that's delicious. Parmesan seasoning corn. This is what happens when I try to add cheese.
BJ's just dropped a whole new chicken sandwich lineup, but their new Korean sweet and spicy chicken sandwich is just built different. It's exactly what was missing from my life. The crispy fried chicken and the sweet and spicy Asian glaze are the showstoppers. Then you get all that tangy pickled veggies, sesame seeds sprinkled in, and a creamy sriracha aioli. All of it held together by a soft brioche bun. You guys have to try the BJ's new Korean sweet and spicy chicken sandwich, along with the rest of their new chicken sandwich lineup.
Five Guys. No ranch, no ketchup. Honestly, the patties are juicy, so with the pickle and the tomato, it does something.